Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 will introduce about decision making in PHP. So this is a very important one concept in any programming language like PHP also have decision making concept in which system will decide to execute any statement or set of statement on the basis of condition. So in the next slide, I will share with you some outline that will be covered in chapter number 7 of PHP course. First of all, what is decision making? If statement, if else statement, nested if statement, if else if statement, and switch statement. So these are different topics that will be covered in chapter number 7 of PHP course. You know that this is very important one topics that will be clear with example. Practical programming example will be clear with you, so don't miss any lecture from this chapter number 7 of PHP course, because you will learn many things from this chapter number 7, decision making in the PHP.